A tiny seed rests quietly in the soil. It looks lifeless, small, and insignificant. No movement, no sound, no sign of what it will become. To the human eye, it seems like nothing special. Yet inside that seed, Allah has already written an entire future. A future of roots, branches, leaves, flowers, and sweet fruit. This is how Allah works, creating miracles silently, patiently, and perfectly. When the seed is placed into the earth, it is covered by darkness. It is pressed by soil from all sides. It has no light, no air, and no idea of what lies ahead. Yet Allah commands the earth to protect it, not crush it. The seed does not complain about the darkness. It does not rush its growth. It simply submits to the system Allah has designed. Then comes water, a drop of rain, sent from the sky by Allah's mercy. That water reaches the seed deep underground. Something begins to change. The seed softens. Its outer shell breaks. What looked dead begins to respond to Allah's command. Life starts quietly, unseen by the world. Allah says in the Quran that He sends down water from the sky and brings life to the earth after its death. This is not just about land, it is a sign for hearts that feel dry, broken, or forgotten. Just like the seed, sometimes growth begins in darkness. A tiny root emerges first. It does not grow upward. It goes deeper into the soil. Allah teaches the plant that strength comes from strong roots, not quick height. The root searches for stability, nutrients, and water. It spreads silently, anchoring the plant firmly into the earth. At the same time, a small shoot pushes upward. It moves toward the light, even though it has never seen light before. Allah programs it with direction. The shoot breaks through the soil and finally meets the sunlight. A new life appears above the ground. This young plant is fragile. A strong wind could bend it. Excess heat could harm it. Too little water could stop its growth. Yet Allah continues to provide balance, sunlight in the right amount, rain at the right time, and protection through the soil beneath. Days turn into weeks. Weeks turn into months. The plant grows taller. Leaves spread out, capturing sunlight. Through a process Allah designed, the plant turns light into energy. Every leaf works silently, obediently, without rest. It never questions its role. As the plant matures, its stem thickens and hardens. What was once weak becomes strong. Allah teaches us that strength comes with patience. The plant did not become a tree overnight. Growth was slow, steady, and purposeful. Seasons change. Cold winds come, then warmth returns. Rain falls, then stops. Through every change, the plant adapts, because Allah created it with wisdom. Even storms do not destroy it, instead, they make its roots stronger. Eventually, the plant is no longer a small sapling. It has become a tree. Its branches spread wide. Birds rest upon it. Shade forms beneath it. Without asking for anything, the tree begins to give. Then comes one of Allah's most beautiful signs, flowers. Delicate, colorful, and brief. Flowers appear not to stay forever, but to prepare the way for fruit. Their beauty attracts life around them. Bees come, pollination happens, all by Allah's command. Soon, flowers fall away, and tiny fruits begin to form. At first, they are small and hard. They do not look ready. But inside, Allah is working. Nutrients flow through the tree. Water travels from the roots to the branches. Sunlight continues its role. Slowly, the fruit grows. It changes color. It softens. It fills with sweetness. What began as a dry seed is now nourishment for humans. This is the generosity of Allah. He turns something small into something beneficial for many. When the fruit finally ripens, it hangs quietly, ready to be picked. It does not announce itself. It waits. When a human takes it, tastes it, and feels satisfaction, they rarely think of the journey it took. But Allah knows every step. Allah reminds us through nature that nothing meaningful comes instantly. Just like a seed, humans are also planted in situations we do not choose. Sometimes we feel buried. Sometimes we feel unseen. But Allah is growing us beneath the surface. Just as the seed must break to grow, sometimes our hearts must break to transform. Just as the plant faces storms, humans face tests. And just as the tree gives fruit when mature, believers give benefit when their faith is strong. This life cycle is not random. It is a lesson. Allah shows us His power, His His mercy, and His perfect planning through plants. No scientist can create life from nothing. No human can command a seed to grow. Only Allah gives life. Every fruit-bearing tree stands as silent evidence of Allah's existence. It does not speak, yet it declares His greatness. It does not move, yet it submits fully. It does not ask for praise, yet it serves endlessly. When you see a tree heavy with fruit, remember this: it once struggled underground in darkness. When you see a believer strong in faith, remember they also grew through trials. Allah is Al-Khaliq, the Creator. He is Ar-Razak, the Provider. He feeds the birds, waters the plants, and sustains every living thing. If He can turn a seed into a fruit-bearing tree, He can revive any heart, heal any soul, and change any life. So trust His timing, submit to His plan, grow patiently, and remember, Allah never wastes a seed planted with sincerity.